Guys, we are now here at Royal Moto Club. Nagpa-member tayo today and we will try to do a quick walkthrough in mga inclusions sa packages nila. So I'm having my free coffee right here. So every time that you visit, may free coffee tayo. So let's do a quick walkthrough sa magiging perks na kapag sumali ka dito sa maging platinum membership ng RMC or Royal Moto Club. Wala naman makukuhang referral fee kapag pre-promote namin, pero since I've availed of the service, I will do a quick walkthrough of the benefits, and if you think na sulit siya, pwede naman kayo magpa-explain ulit dito. For the amount of 20,000, ito yung pinakahabol ko sa personal accident insurance kasi personally wala akong yung health card na pinoprovide ng mga empleyado sa mga companies. Yun yung kasi yung wala ko. So I think this is the most important coverage for me. So may mga accidents that is related to riding a motorcycle, malalaki, like 500K if due to death, tapos mga accidents up to 250,000, murder and assault up to 500,000, accidental burial expenses 50,000, then accidental medical expenses up to 50,000 reimbursement. So tinanong ko to kasi technically after a while bibigyan ka ng membership card para maging official yung membership mo. Tinanong ko to sa medical expenses, like let's say na-accident ka. Ang mangyari is sa hospital, you will pay for the hospital bill first, then afterwards, with police report and OR for the official receipt that you paid the medical expenses, then ipapa-reimburse natin siya. Meron silang binigay na mga freebies eh. Mamimili kay jacket or jersey. I got the jersey. May tumbler din tayong kasama. May mga ibang freebies pa kasi na binigay. Brake cleaner, chain lube, helmet and jacket, deodorize, unlimited bike haul within Metro Manila. Kapag i-avail mo kasi yung service nila na bike haul, it's 2.5 one way. Within Metro Manila, unlimited bike haul siya. Kapag let's say, kailangan mo ng bike haul outside Metro Manila, magbibilang yan for every KM daw, 25 pesos for the south. Magsa-start yan sa dulo ng south. Saan ba? Alabang? Muntinlupa? I'm not sure. Tapos sa north, sa Valenzuela, magsa-start yung bilang ng 25 pesos per kilometer. Then, dalawang free change oil. Once you've availed of the free change oil already, magbabayad ka na after. Pero may 10% discount naman on their regular service. If na-avail mo na yung dalawang change oil, then may ceramic coat, 12 bike wash, that's worth 3,000 pesos. Then unlimited checkup on consumables and maintenance part, and unlimited cleaning and lube of the bike chain. Oh, that's one's good. Kasi paminsan nakatamad maglinis ng lube kasi ang kalat eh. Especially condo setup kami right now. 10% discount on RMC regular services. 10% discount on Elevate. Regular services, Elevate is their detailing ata. Then 20% discount on products. Every time you visit, may free coffee nga. Their working hours sa baba. Yung binakita ko kanina sa video is 8 to 5, Monday to Sunday. Tapos dito sa taas, up until 11 p.m. siya. Pwede kang tumambay dito. Guys, if you're interested, pwede nyo naman siya puntahan dito. I'll make sure to include the address. Thank you for watching.